Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make easy homemade soft pretzels. This is a super easy recipe for homemade pretzels. It's perfect for making with the kids or if you just want to whip up a batch to satisfy those cravings. To start, you'll need 1 tablespoon of instant or active dry yeast and 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Then we'll pour in 1 1/4 cup of warm water. You want it just to be lukewarm like a baby's bath water, and let that dissolve. You can even use a rubber spatula to give that a little bit of a stir. Then we'll start slowly adding in our flour. You'll use about 3 to 3.5 cups total, so just add in a little at a time and start working this in. You can always add more flour, but you can't take any flour away. So keep on adding it in until you have a nice dough ball. If it gets too hard to stir with a spoon or rubber spatula, you can always switch to kneading the dough with your hands. The dough should be nice and smooth and incorporated and still be tacky to the touch, but not so sticky that it sticks to your hands. I'll give a light coating of nonstick spray to our bowl. We're gonna let this rise for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, you'll want to preheat your oven to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Then we can take our dough out and divide it into 12 little balls. Each piece should be about the size of a golf ball. Next, grab 1.5 cups of hot water. You can boil it on the stove or microwave it in the microwave until it's almost boiling. You want it super hot. And we'll add 1/4 cup of baking soda to this hot water. Normally you boil pretzels, but I've kept it nice and easy, and this is the cheater method using just hot water and baking soda. Then you'll grab a piece of dough and we're gonna roll it out into a long snake or rope. Once you have your long rope, what you'll do is make a little horseshoe shape, cross, twist, and pull back over and pinch to close. I'll show you one more time. You'll make a little horseshoe shape, cross, twist, and fold back over and pinch to close. Once your pretzel is shaped, we're gonna dunk it right in this baking soda water. Pull your pretzel out, drain off the excess liquid, and place it onto your parchment paper. I like to split it in half and do 6 pretzels per baking sheet. Then if you wanted to do pretzel bites, you'd roll a little bit of a thicker rope and simply cut into 1 to 2 inch pieces. And then same thing, dip them into the baking soda water solution and put them onto a parchment lined baking sheet. Then we're gonna bake these in a 500 degree oven for about 6 minutes. They should end up a nice golden brown. While they're still warm, you'll want to brush the tops with melted butter and then sprinkle on some coarse salt. If you want to switch things up, you can make a sweet treat by sprinkling on cinnamon sugar. Then that's it. You are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos, where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.